In this video, I am going to show you how to recover your Telegram number if it was banned and why. If your Telegram account has been banned, it typically indicates a violation of Telegram's terms of service, privacy policy, or local laws and regulations. Here are common reasons why Telegram might ban a number. 1. Spreading hate or false information about race, nationality, gender, or religion. 2. If you've reported bullying, stalking, or threatening others, your account could be banned. 3. Malicious software. 4. False informations. 5. Your profile elements must adhere to Telegram's policies because you might post inappropriate profile content. 6. Nudity and sexual content. 7. Illegal activities, promotion of cybercrime, incorrect password entries, cyberbullying, or using virtual numbers, etc. To check if your phone number is banned, open Telegram and search for the username. Spam bot. Start a chat with this bot to check if your account has been limited or banned. Now, if you believe your number was unjustly banned, you can appeal by contacting Telegram's customer support through the app. However, recovery is not guaranteed, because Telegram's moderation policies aim to maintain a safe and respectful environment for all users. So, adhering to these guidelines is crucial to avoid account limitations or bans. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.